Hi everybody, this is Lauri Stricker at Evergreen Pilates, and we're now offering Stream Pilates live this week with all your favorite teachers. So I invite you to set up your studio, and as you're setting it up, kind of think about what you already have at home. You might already have some foam rollers, whether it's a soft one or a hard one. You might have some hand weights. If you don't have anything, I've got some links at the bottom of this page for suggestions of what you might want to purchase to do your classes, but you can always improvise with what you have around the house, and we will help you with that. If you have a stretch out strap, these are excellent. What I like about them is they have little loops, so it makes stretching really nice for legs and hips. You can customize how you stretch. If you don't have a ball, you might want to consider getting one of these. This is a 9-inch ball. 9-10-inch balls are great for doing bar work and seated core work. They come like this in a bag with a little straw, and you just blow them up. Again, there's links at the bottom of this page for some suggestions. If you have a yoga block, this one's foam. These are great. And then I'd also recommend some kind of band, okay? If yours is not attached, you can always tie a knot in it. Otherwise, Synergy makes a great product as well. And these are just amazing for strengthening hips and strengthening shoulders and things like that. So please join us for Stream Pilates this week. We're doing some free live classes, so you can get on and just try them with us, and we will absolutely support you and show you how to do it so you feel connected. You can stay healthy and stay strong, and I look forward to seeing you this week.